Welcome back to Selected Solutions, and in our previous video we extract bamboo fiber using chemical or using lye. So today we are going to extract bamboo fiber without using any chemical, just water, soaking the bamboo in the water. So first we get the bamboo that we are going to process, and we remove this the hard portion of the bamboo, or the outer layer of the bamboo, and the nodes. Okay. So we remove the outer covering of this hard uh, outer part of the bamboo, so that the water during soaking will enable to penetrate thoroughly in the bamboo. And then after this we are going to soak this one to tap water. Okay, so we get our tap water, and then we soak this, and then after several days we visit this one. So after 4 days we'll visit this. And so this is the fiber after 5 days. So we can observe that its fibers are broken, softened. I will visit this again after 2 weeks. Okay, so let's check after 2 weeks of this. So after 2 weeks, this is now the fiber, and we can observe that the water is a little bit darker compared to 5 days, and it's already soft, and we can even squeeze the water which was absorbed in these fibers. And after this we are going to dry this one outside. So it's already sunny day, so we dry this one, and this is the dried fibers of the bamboo. And after this we are going to comb this. We have made a small combing for fibers here in our area. Okay, so this is our combing section. So comb this so that those fibers which are okay. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, and keep updated. And you may also comment your concerns. And this is now the final fiber that we have extracted from our bamboo, and it's good, and it can be used I think in making fiber boards. So this is the final. Thank you guys.